Happy Fiesta.
Hello.
Uy, tayo na.
Happy Fiesta. Nay, Happy Fiesta.
Salamat. Kabutan.
Yo, what's up? So yun, driving time, long ride. Dahil saan tayo pupunta? Zambales! Kain muna, tanghali na. Ito ang aking navigator. Let's go. Si Cindy kakagising lang. Where are you now?
We're in the Zambales.
What will you say?
Happy po. We ako.
Good morning, Zambales. Ay, sarap. Let's go. Yay! We're going to
The beach.
Are you happy?
Yeah. Wait, we're almost there. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Lakad, lakad. We're going to the beach. Let's go. What's that? Saan? Sa beach? Oo nga, beach na yun, oh. Madali, walk ka with mommy.
I love the beach.
Zambales, Leo.
Hi.
Zambales.
Zambales. I love Zambales. There's water and the sun, and this is the Zambales beach.
Yay! Let's go. Ah.
Okay.
Ang pino, no? Ang sarap dito. Ang sarap apakan. First swimming is done.
Yeah, swimming is done, and this is my toys.
Let's go. First swimming is done.
Enjoy. Napo, Mr. Vlogger.
Documentation.
Documentation for 2025.
Documentation. Mga biik. Wala pa. Hey, overload. Let's go. Tatlong goto overload, isang pares overload. Let's go. Sarap yan. Hey, sarap. Native. tuna. Tunang malala. Let's go.
Where are we going?
Day 2. Day 3 na ba? Day 2 pa lang kasi yung day 1 mo, yun yung biyahe mo eh. Gabi ka pa dumating. No, hindi yung day.
And where are we going?
We're going to the boat race.
Yeah.
Zambales boat race.
Zambales Boat Race Beach. Right? We're going that way.
Let's go. Okay, bumalik tayo. Kumuha tayo ng electric fan at saka ng tubig. Kasi mainit sa karera ng bangka. Yup. Mamaya pakita natin yung mga organizer at saka yung mismo mga bangka. Let's go. Ang dami nanonood dito. Layo pa ng dagat pero puro tricycle na. Yun. Ito na ang mga bangka. Oh, nasaan na yun? Saan na napunta ang aking mag-ina? Ang dami mga makikipaglaban. Let's go. Andito si Cindy. Saka si Leo. Leo. Racing number 2, let's go! Eh, ayan na po! Bomba! Let's go!
Nabulat pala ng dilaw. Kanina mabagal.
Let's go! Pangatlong labanan. Let's go!
Yeah, may laban, go! Ah! Goyli, wala na mo. Goyli. At pinagalitan ni Milo.
Happy Fiesta.
Hello. Good time na.
Happy Fiesta. Nay, Happy Fiesta.
Salamat. Nabutan ka na tayo.
Eh, nabudol tayo. 300 pesos. Let's go. Budol. Happy Fiesta. Second time swimming.
Yeah, sun water.
Ha?
Sun water.
Sand water yan?
Yeah, sun water. When I just make some sand and water, it will make sun water. No.
Oh, sand water nga.
Yeah.
Where's mommy? Mommy, hi! You're making sand water now?
Yeah. I want to put sand, mud, and I'll put a normal sand.
More.
Okay. Get the first one.
Yan.
Next, I will
Put it inside. Like that. You push. Yan. You push inside. Push.
Okay, I'll put water.
Okay. Put water.
Water.
What's that? Let me.
Sun water. What does this look like? I'm seeing to
We're going to the
river.
river.
Yeah, river.
Yeah, what's up, day 3? Where are we?
Bagsit River. Bagsit River. Yeah,
Bagsit River. Let's go. Wow, ang ganda naman dito. Wow.
I'll put in here.
Nagdala ka kasi ng baril. Pupunta ka ng ilog. O, go na kay mami. O, bida ka na naman.
Hello vlog. Hello vlog. Dito po kami ngayon sa lalawigan ng Zambales, bayan ng Palawig, barangay Salasa, Sitio Dampay.
Ginusto mo yan, ha?
Kung saan matatagpuan ang Bagsit River.
Ginusto mo yan. Try nyo doon, no? I-try nyo dyan. I-try nyo yung lalim para alam nyo kung hanggang saan kayo.
Mag-ina. Excited.
Oo nga. Lulutang yan. Eh. Try nyo dito na, huwag dyan. Doon yung medyo pababaw eh. Is it cold?
Yeah, it's so cold. But it's so slippery. I need to go back.
Huwag dyan, ni madulas yan. Madulas, ha, tumama ang mukha. Here. Stand. Yan, good. Good. Stand. Nice. Hey, what's up? So yun, nandito na kami sa may Bagsik River. Kasama natin si Mommy and si Baby Leo. Let's go. Ano masabi mo?
Kaya, enjoy.
Look, I'm putting this rock over here.
Oh, there.
Yeah, he's going here.
So yan, mamaya din is uwi na rin kami. Mamaya madaling araw. So, dinaanan na namin to. Ganda. Let's go. So yun, puntahan natin yung cottage kung saan silang lahat ay nagluluto at makikikain lang ako mamaya. Let's go.
Dulo, yung mga dulo, wala. Oh, lahat dulo ang mali.
Go. Ano po yung mga meron?
May buko, salad, pinipig.
Oh, get one. What do you like? Chocolate. That one? Nice?
Yeah.
You need to bite it. Hey, what's up? Uwian na. Let's go. Yung may driver tayo. May driver tayo ngayon kasi tayo yung nilalagnat. Gaya ng sabi nila, pag di ka nilagnat sa bakasyon, hindi ka nag-enjoy. Let's go. Ayan si Cindy at si Leo. Masarap din pala maging pasahero. Let's go. Yep. Yo, what's up? Home sweet home. Let's go.
The doctor.
Yan, so nagkasakit tayo. Pag di ka nagkasakit sa bakasyon, ibig sabihin hindi ka nag-enjoy. At ang kinaganda sa lahat na nangyari is pag uwi, ayun, sunog ako. Pag uwi at pag open ng mga store ko, awa ng Diyos, halos 10 na kagad yung bumili. Let's go. Thank you. Love you. Mama Jup Jup.